Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back. This is Hotwire again. We're going to go into a little bit more about planning your mix, a little bit more about harmonic mixing and the energy level. So, with this track here, it's 5D, which we know is a major chord, so it's a happy one. Okay? Pretty groovy, pretty funky, makes you feel good, yeah? All right, so when I'm planning a set anyway, you have to be mindful about the energy levels. So if everyone's happy, hands in the air, you don't really want to go to a minor track, okay? Because that will go from a happy chord down in energy, if that makes sense. So if you're thinking, okay, where can we go? So on our harmonic mixing scale on the tractor wheel here, we're in 5D. Okay, so if we want to stay in major chords, we can go up to 6D or we can go over to 4D. All right, so these tracks will be harmonically good to go. So you can mix these tracks together. Any track that's a 6D or a 4D, it's not going to sound like a detuned, jumbled mess. If you play tracks that are not in harmonic sync or whatever, or not in tune, you'll start getting phasing. All right, so you can imagine just like when someone's tuning a guitar and the the noise wobbles a bit. I don't know how else to explain it. It's kind of like a detuned guitar. So again, our energy levels, we're playing a happy song. If we want to go down in energy, then we'd go into the minor. So we'd go down in the scale, if that makes sense. What you want to avoid is going sideways like this or jumping from there to there. Harmonically, we'll keep the energy up by going to a 6D or a 4D. And then if we want to take the energy down to give people a rest, then we'll go down to 5M over here, if that makes sense. Again, if we're over here, if we're playing a deep house, and let's say we're in 12M, it's a minor chord, deep house, everyone's having a good time, floaty, and we want to up the energy because people are getting a bit bored. Maybe the dance floor's starting to clear because people are going to get a drink or whatever. Then you can go up into your major scales, and that will lift the energy. So when I'm planning my DJ, oh crap, I didn't press my thingy, my timer. Okay, when I'm planning my DJ sets, I talk to, you want to have an idea of what you're going to play. So if you're going to play sunset on a beach, everyone's in a good mood, then you might want to play your major chords or whatever. If you're playing peak time, then you want to really build the energy. If the energy is already maxed out in the room, maybe you want to bring it down a level. So when I'm planning my sets, you think about the timeline. All right, we've got the timeline. So you've got a 2 hour window here. So when I start, I get a feel for what's going on. If I want to build the energy, then I might play a minor track, and then I might jump it up to another minor track, and then I might jump it up to a major track. So I'm playing major, then I'll jump it up by going up in our scale. Okay, and then you can build it up again, and then maybe the next track I want to level it out, so I won't change. I'll just keep in the same chord or same scale. And then if I want people to have a break, maybe I'll go down to a minor. Okay. Listen to your favorite DJs, and you'll be able to pick. You'll be able to hear. Okay, people like Fatboy Slim, really great example. When he starts his sets, it kicks off. It's high energy. It builds until you're like, what the hell's going on? And then he might flatten it out a bit, just give everyone a break and a breather. And then maybe towards the end, when everything gets weird, he'll slip into some minor chords and then level everybody out. Um, I hope that makes sense. I'll try and I'll try and give you a demo of that, but the best thing to do is just listen to your favorite DJs. So if you want to play high energy music, like house music or whatever, listen to your favorite DJs and just have a listen, particularly for the first half an hour of a DJ set. That first half an hour can really make or break your sets. Okay, I think that'll do for this video. Again, I got to keep them super short. But yeah, just get onto Google, get yourself this tractor wheel, and then that'll help you understand this mixing in key. All right, thanks so much for listening. Let's kick on to the next video. Yeah.